Hi, my name is Dr. John Kim. I'm an aesthetic physician and faculty for the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. I chose American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine because it's a worldwide leader in this field. It's been around since 1999, has trained hundreds and thousands of faculty and students, and we are a leader in this field. I became a faculty because I really liked the high quality of the academy. I wanted to get involved with a leader in this field in teaching aesthetic medicine. I truly enjoy being a faculty. I enjoy meeting new people, and the 16th Congress has allowed me to meet many different friends from all over the world who share my passion and want to learn new cutting-edge technology in aesthetic medicine. Thank you for listening, and hope to meet you soon. Thank you.